Welcome back. We return with a breaking news update coming in the wake of BNP's massive victory in Bangladesh. The elections officially have to be called, but US envoy to Bangladesh has congratulated Tariq Rahman. Says congratulations to the BNP and Tariq Rahman on the historic victory. The US looks forward to working with you to realize shared goals of prosperity and security for both our countries. I do want to bring in Pallavi Ghosh into the conversation. Pallavi, from an Indian perspective, one of the concerns is the possible Bangladesh-China-Pakistan nexus, and especially given the relationship India shared with Sheikh Hasina and how that dynamic changed with the Yunus government. That said, when the US coming into the picture, what do you make of this comment?
See, I think India was very worried, I would say, geopolitically speaking, because everyone wants to have a friendly neighborhood. And the coldness in the ties between India and Bangladesh, especially with Sheikh Hasina being there in India, did create a certain amount of, I would say, a concern over here. Because, you know, when I was speaking to people during the campaign as a run-up to the elections, many would tell me this, that, you know, you talk about having good relationships with Bangladesh. You did send S. Jaishankar, which unlike Pakistan and other countries, was a much more senior representative to send for the janaza of Begum Khalida Zia. So clearly the message which India wanted to send out is that we want to resume warm ties with Bangladesh. But what do? You keep Sheikh Hasina with you. You also had a press conference where she uses the Indian soil as a platform to campaign against the BNP or the Yunus administration. So that is something which India wanted to tone down. Also our concern over the fact that there were minorities, particularly the Hindus, who were being targeted. The whole illegal immigrants issue of Bangladesh to Bengal is another political issue. So over here in Bangladesh, many in the political regime felt that India was using its own political compulsions to attack Bangladesh. But for us, it is very important to have one good equations back with Bangladesh because of economic reasons. We have very strong and have had trade ties. Bangladesh itself depends a lot on India in terms of garments imports, in terms of automobile parts and so on and so forth. We also depend on Bangladesh for a market and also for the expertise. So that is why, because of pure economic reasons, India needs to resume good ties with Bangladesh. Geopolitically speaking, we cannot allow a China or a Pakistan to meddle into the affairs. We saw over even something like the cricket issue. Pakistan initially began by supporting Bangladesh and then did a U-turn. So that is why India silently, though we maintain a very strategic silence in echoing our preferences, will find it always more comfortable to do business with BNP, which certainly comes across as a more moderate alternative to Jamaat. And Tariq Anwar himself faces a lot of compulsions. Economic revival, constitutional reforms, he requires India's help. And thereby I do see a resumption of good ties between India and Bangladesh.
Okay, thank you for that, Pallavi.